Typically, you'll find one or two. Well, you should find two in your kitchen because in most kitchens, you have two circuits that do everything for your countertops, and they can also be tied into your refrigerator and your dining room per code. That's where you would have it. So typically you would have two GFIs, one for each of those circuits. And then if it's not laid out correctly, because we typically don't like seeing a fridge on a GFI, just because if it happens to nuisance trip and you come home from vacation, now you're going to have one stinky fridge.
Oh,
that's where you just duct tape it, leave everything inside. And
just take it out and get someone to haul it away. But yeah, same with the garages. You're supposed to have GFI protection out in the garage. For any outlet that's under certain feet, or if it's designed for a specific use. So we always put a single outlet that has one plug-in, and then that's dedicated for that fridge. And then it meets requirements, so you don't have to have it GFI protected. That way you don't have the issue of your fridge in your garage. Bathrooms, same scenario, is because it's near water, you have to have GFI protection in your bathroom. Back patios, any exterior outlet on down around the ground needs to be GFI protected as well. If you have barbecue areas, those all need to be GFI protected as well. So that way it keeps you from getting electrocuted.